Hello people, my name's William, also known as Bull. My son Liam, also known as Nimrod. We're standing here with our 67 2000C project. Yeah, Liam has been a tremendous help. We are stripping at the moment. I think we've still got another week's worth of stripping to do. And then if we're fortunate enough, we will be able to take her just to have a clean first, and then we'll take it from there. To those that are watching my progress, or our progress, thank you. Thank you for all the likes. I just thought it's appropriate that I introduce the two of us. And then also the bloke holding the camera, Emil, or also known as the gangster. He helps out occasionally when he's got time. Yeah, looking forward to driving her. It's been 35 years since I've driven her. I was 18 at the time. God willing, my son will be able to drive her when he turns 18 next year in January. Thank you folks, appreciate it. Liam, anything you want to say?
It's a nice car.
Yes, it is a nice car. Thanks folks.